Hi, welcome to this educational video. In this section, I want to teach you how to put your beautiful photos in the frames you made yourself and frame your image or create a polygonal or multi-millimeter photo frame with them. It's an interesting feature for studio work, wall photo, for frames that are fragmented and you want to correctly and clearly partition the image. It's a wide technique and has many scopes of work. I hope this video is effective and you like it. Stay with me. For last exercise, I create a new document. So I set my size to 1080 to I think 1080 it's good. My resolution is 72 and my color mode RGB. My background it's default and I set it to white. Then I click my new background. Okay, in this exercise I want to create some shape from rectangular and square. Okay, I just click to this rectangular. I created a new there. I think it's good. So it has the corners. I do like it and I destroy it very well. Then I'm click enter. After that, by hold down shift in my keyboard, I create a square. Good. So I'm destroying these corners again. Don't make it to circle, just near to square. I think it's good. So I'm click to move to and then I set it and close it a little together. Good. So by hold alt in my keyboard, then I click to this, I drag it and set it there, and again hold alt and click and drag, and for this shape hold alt, click and drag. Good. And here it's an artistic frame and artistic shape. You can create a lot of idea in this technique. It's depend on your taste, but formality I create some part of this idea and I think we can create a lot of shape, a lot of idea and a lot of frame for this technique. After that, we have a lot of rectangular layer. My top layer is active, so I come back to my first rectangular. By hold down shift, I click to this and every rectangular layer is selected. So right click on it and click to convert to smart object. Every layer merge together, move it and change your space as you want, or actually by press Ctrl+T you can rotate it, for example like me, or there. But I don't want to rotate it, and you can stretch it if you want. You can really stretch it very well. So just click enter. After that, import your picture into the Photoshop. Okay, it's my picture. By press Ctrl+A, select all and then Ctrl+C to copy it. Come back to your original frame and Ctrl+V to paste it. My picture is very big as you see, so don't worry, and by press Ctrl+T and change the size. Okay, I think it's good. Then I'm setting to my background picture. Very good, and I think it's at the form a little. Set it, so good. And then click enter. If I want, I can change this size. Just right click on this picture layer and click to create clipping mask. Good, and you can by press Ctrl plus T change the size as you see. Good, then click enter. I create a new solid color from adjustment. I create a new solid color. I'm clicking OK and set my solid color under rectangular layer. It's a new. I want to write a text. Go to the text and, for example, write "Be gentle." My font color is black, and you can see it. I set it, for example, to this color. Yeah, it's good. So I'm put it center. I want to copy this text, so I put this layer top of every layer. I want to change my font, and I want to convert all caps. So my font is bold, and by press Ctrl plus J I duplicate this font. By move tool I can put it everywhere, and by press Ctrl plus J I can create some duplicate of this layer. Good, and you can change your opacity. For example, in this layer I set it to 1%. To the next text I set it decrease, further decrease. For the next I set it, for example, to 50, then click enter. The next I set it to 35. For the next I set it to 20. And as you want, you can change your size font or another thing. And I think we have to create a new Ctrl plus J to duplicate it and move it top of every text and set this opacity to 10%. Good. I think it's done, and by history panel I can show you before and after. Before everything, we don't have any picture. It's an empty document. After that, we create a new shape and a new picture. Very well, as you see. Okay, I hope you enjoy my video tutorial. Thank you for watching this. Thank you and thanks goodness.